Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Affirm on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Affirm and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, and if you want to use Affirm on Amazon, simply click on the shop tab here, go to your shop tab and then search for a store and then click on your Amazon option. So once you click on Amazon, so this will now take you to the Amazon store. So what you're going to do here is you can simply make your purchase on Amazon, and then so this will take you to your Amazon store. So all you have to do now here is just simply order any item or make any purchase on Amazon, and then when you get to the checkout page here, just click on Affirm, because Affirm is partnered with Amazon, so you will have the Affirm option on your checkout page. So just click on the checkout page and you can just complete your checkout with Affirm. So that's how like actually how you can use Amazon on Affirm. So it's pretty easy and